Before you quit that job, buy those chickens and goats and plant spinach and some other crop. There are 7 brutal truths you need to know first. Because farming is not social media farming. It's not green crops. It's not fresh eggs and beautiful sunsets. Because one mistake can wipe out all your profits. 1 week without water can destroy months of hard work. And many people enter farming with excitement, but quit within the first year. In this video, I will show you the real truth about farming, what successful farmers understand, and how to avoid the mistakes most beginners fail. If you are serious about food security, agribusiness, homesteading, then watch this video to the end, because number 7 changes everything. Good day, I'm Ayon, and welcome to AGRICDECK, where we grow food, build freedom, and inspire self-sufficient living. First thing you must understand, farming is not just planting crops. Farming is business. A lot of people plant vegetables without knowing who they will sell to, market prices, production costs, demand cycles. Then they harvest and realize nobody is buying. Before planting anything, ask yourself, who is my customer? How much can I realistically sell weekly? Can I supply consistently? The farmers making money are not always the biggest farmers. They are the smartest marketers. So in farming, you need to understand that marketing is very, very important. Otherwise, you're going to end up with a lot of crops without having the buyers for that produce. The smartest farmers are the ones who know how to sell. So before going into farming business, you must learn how to sell or market your produce. Now, many people think land is the biggest asset in farming. Wrong. Water is everything. You can have a small space with water and farm reliably than someone with 100 hectares without water. Before starting, check water availability, boreholes, rainfall patterns, irrigation systems, water storage. Especially in Africa, water determines survival. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is starting too big. They buy thousands of chickens, huge greenhouses, expensive equipment without experience. Then losses come, stress comes, debt comes. In farming, you must learn how to start small. So you learn first, master production, understand pests, diseases, feeding, watering, market and customer behavior. Then scale gradually. If you watch the videos I've interviewed many of the farmers, I always specify, start small. Like us, we started smaller. So it's very important for farmers to start small. To master everything before scaling in production. Whether you have money or not, it's important for you to start small. Nobody talks enough about this. Pests and diseases can destroy your farm fast. It can wipe your entire profit. 1 week of neglect can wipe out months of hard work. Whether it's spinach leaf spots, caterpillars, chicken disease, fungal infections, rodent, you must learn prevention early. Good farmers don't just know how to plant. They know how to prevent diseases from happening. A lot of times I have people calling me, I have this in my farm. What do I do? Not everything is curable in farming and agriculture, but everything can be prevented. So it's very, very important as a beginner. You must learn prevention in order to avoid losses in your farm. Farming rewards consistency more than motivation, even more than inspiration. I've seen a lot of farmers who are inspired, who are motivated. If you are not consistent, farming would reward you. That's why it's better for a farmer to be supplying 500 bunches of spinach daily than for a farmer to be supplying 10,000 bunches of spinach monthly, because the shops are not going to wait for you. They are going to buy for whoever is consistent. They are going to buy for whoever is going to supply them weekly, daily, monthly. That's why big shops will sign contract with farmers who are consistent. They are not going to sign with bigger farmers who are inconsistent. So it is very, very important as a farmer to be very, very consistent in your farming business. Consistency will reward you more than every other thing. Some days you'll be tired. Some days market will be slow. Some days crop won't perform well. But consistency wins. The farmers supplying every week are the ones customers trust. In farming, consistency creates income, builds market, and wealth. So, whatever you are doing, be consistent. Nature can humble anyone. Whether you are a big farmer or a small farmer, nature can humble you. Too much rain, problems. Too much heat, problems. Frost, problems. That's why smart farmers mulch, use tunnels and greenhouses, install irrigation, monitor seasons, and diversify crops. You must farm with nature always and not against nature. Despite all the challenges, farming is the most powerful industry in the world. Why? Because people must eat every day. People must eat. Farming creates food security, income, independence, opportunity, legacy. You must start with a few bags, a small garden, or a backyard project. But with patience and consistency, farming can completely transform your future. If you are thinking of starting farming, don't wait for the perfect conditions. Start small. At that small space at the backyard you have. Start with that little capital. Learn daily. Grow steadily. And remember, the future belongs to those who can produce food. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share with someone who wants to start farming. Please comment below, what type of farming do you want to start today? Thank you. Until then, peace.